Process of starting a real estate business. Yes, you heard it right. Process. Yes, there is a process of starting a real estate business, and in this video we'll give you the 5 simple steps so that you can make your business very successful or you can grow it exponentially. Hi, I am Dr. Amol Mourya, business coach, real estate trainer, real estate expert. Today in this video I want to tell you the most important thing in the real estate business, and that is the process. What is the actual process you need to follow if you want to become a good real estate entrepreneur? It doesn't matter you are a builder or a developer or a marketing agency owner or an advisor or an investor. If you want to start a real estate business, you have to consider all the 5 points. And if you give just 5 minutes of your precious time, in this video you will get a step-by-step idea. So the step number 1, or the most important step in the process of starting a real estate business, is step number 1, market research. Yes, you heard it right. You have to do a proper market research before starting a business. If you are a builder, you have to do a research about the location of the land, about the surrounding, about the costing and the development in the surrounding area. The same case is applicable if you are a real estate developer. If you are a real estate marketing agency owner, you have to do a research about the developer or a builder with whom you will get associated. If you are an investor and an advisor, before selling a project, you have to do a proper research about their brand name, their brand image, their product, value of their product and the benefits what a customer will get. If you are clear with step number 1, then you have to come to step number 2, that is need identification. Now, whatever role you are playing in real estate business, you have to identify the need of your customer. So when you are clear with the need, the pain point, the problems, or when you do an analysis which is known as a NICE analysis, need, interest, concerns of your client, then in that case you have to give that product to your customer which will suit his requirements. So when you are clear with the need and when you have done a proper research with your product, then step number 3 is need analysis. Whatever need you have identified, analyze it in a proper way. If suppose you are going to start a business as a builder, do realize it that in the particular area where you are starting your project, in that area, is the demand of bungalows is more or flat scheme is more? Is the demand of commercial is more or residential is more? You have to analyze your client's need, and after analyzing the need in a proper way, then step number 4 comes, make plan for need satisfaction. So the moment you are very clear about your client's requirement, you have done a proper analysis, then make a plan for need satisfaction. If a particular group of customer or a client is looking for XYZ product, and if you are coming with the same product, the demand for your product will be more. This is the basic fundamental formula in the business of real estate. Now, the 5th and the final step in the entire process of starting a real estate business, when you have done with the research, when you have identified the need, when you have done the analysis, and when we have done the plan for the satisfaction, the 5th and the most important step is take action and fulfill the needs. Now, taking action on a proper time, if you can produce a product or if you can introduce a product in the market at the right time with the right positioning, then and only then you will get a very good response in your business. So, if you want to become a successful real estate entrepreneur, you have to follow these 5 steps. If you skip any of this step out of these 5, you will not get success in your business in a very fast way. I'll explain you this entire video with the help of a case study. All these 5 steps in a very simple and systematic way. If suppose a particular person named Anil, he is from Mumbai and he wants to become builder. He has capital with him, but he didn't know the process. Now, Anil has followed all these 5 steps in a systematic way, and let's see what happens. Mr. Anil first has done a market research in a particular location of Mumbai city. Then he came to know the requirement of affordable flats were more in that particular area. Then he done another research that affordable flats were available in that particular area between 40 lakhs to 50 lakhs, 2 BHK, sizing between 800 square feet to 900 square feet. Then After doing the entire research, he has met with the clients related with the real estate industry, and he came to know from various clients that they are searching for flats in the budget of 40 to 50 lakhs. Then he went to step number 3. He has done a proper need analysis of all the clients. Then he had made a plan. He had bought a 10,000 square feet land, and with all due permissions, he has launched a flat scheme from 800 square feet to 920 square feet 2 BHK. Now the price range what he has given is from 38 lakhs to 46 lakhs. As he has taken immediate action, followed step number 5, he got very good response from the market as his product was matching with the requirement of the client and the requirement of that surrounding. So if you follow the 5 steps in all your businesses related with real estate, you can start a super wonderful profitable real estate business. If you want to see videos on real estate on any other topic, do comment and tell us. And if you feel that this video is very important for many real estate entrepreneurs across the globe, do share it with them. Thank you for subscribing our channel and thank you for liking our videos. We'll meet you in the next video.